In this video, we review Oanda vs Interactive Brokers. Have you used Oanda or Interactive Brokers before? What was your experience? Leave your Oanda or Interactive Brokers review in the comments section below. By the way, if you're looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, I have put some links in the description box below to the brokers I use myself. Check them out. Let's continue with our video. Oanda and Interactive Brokers are two giants in the online trading industry, but they cater to different types of traders. Oanda primarily focuses on Forex trading, while Interactive Brokers offers a more extensive range of asset classes, including stocks, options, futures, and Forex. Both platforms have established themselves as reputable, trusted brokers, but their strengths and weaknesses differ. Understanding the nuances of each can help traders determine which platform best suits their trading style and needs. One of the key differences between Oanda and Interactive Brokers is their commission structure. Oanda operates on a spread-based pricing model, meaning it doesn't charge a separate commission for trades. The cost of trading is embedded in the spread, which can fluctuate depending on market conditions. This makes Oanda appealing to casual traders, or those who prefer a more transparent pricing model. However, the spread can be wider, especially during periods of low liquidity, which may not suit high-frequency traders or those with tight profit margins. Interactive Brokers, on the other hand, uses a commission-based pricing model, offering lower fees for high-volume traders. This is one of the biggest advantages for professional traders or institutional investors who trade in large volumes. Interactive Brokers provides two main pricing tiers, a fixed commission structure and a tiered commission structure, with the latter offering progressively lower fees as trading volume increases. While this structure may be more cost-effective for active traders, it can be complicated for beginners who are unfamiliar with commission-based pricing. Both brokers offer advanced trading tools and platforms. Oanda's flagship platform, Oanda Trade, is designed for both beginner and advanced traders. It provides access to a range of technical analysis tools, real-time charts, and an intuitive interface. The platform is available on both desktop and mobile, making it accessible for traders on the go. Additionally, Oanda offers a robust API for algorithmic traders, which further expands its appeal. Interactive Brokers offers its proprietary Trader Workstation, TWS, a platform designed for serious traders. TWS is feature-rich, with an extensive range of tools for advanced charting, risk management, and research. It is highly customizable, enabling traders to tailor the interface to their specific needs. However, the platform can be overwhelming for beginners due to its steep learning curve and the vast number of features it offers. Interactive Brokers also provides a web-based platform and mobile app for traders who prefer more flexibility. When it comes to asset coverage, Interactive Brokers is a clear winner. It offers access to a wide array of markets, including global stocks, ETFs, options, futures, and Forex. Oanda, on the other hand, is limited to Forex, commodities, and a few CFDs. For traders looking to diversify their portfolio across multiple asset classes, Interactive Brokers offers far more options. Customer service is another important aspect to consider. Oanda has generally received positive feedback for its customer support, with users praising its helpful and responsive team. However, some traders have reported long wait times during busy periods. Interactive Brokers, while offering extensive educational resources and live chat support, has faced criticism for its less-than-stellar customer service, with some users citing slow response times and a lack of personalized assistance. In terms of account types, both brokers offer competitive minimum deposit requirements. Oanda allows accounts to be opened with as little as $1, making it accessible for novice traders. Interactive Brokers requires a minimum deposit of $0 for a cash account and $2,000 for a margin account. While the latter might seem steep for beginners, Interactive Brokers offers the advantage of being able to trade on margin, which could be a powerful tool for experienced traders. In conclusion, Oanda and Interactive Brokers each have their strengths and weaknesses. Oanda excels in its ease of use and competitive spreads, making it ideal for Forex traders and beginners. Interactive Brokers, on the other hand, shines with its low commissions, broad asset selection, and advanced trading tools, which appeal to professional traders and those seeking to trade across multiple asset classes. Ultimately, The best choice will depend on your trading style, experience level, and the markets you want to access.